नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल मध्ये आपले मनापासून स्वागत. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राइब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.
Lesson number 13, Carbon and important element. Important topics in this lesson: carbon, occurrence, properties, allotropes. Hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide and methane, occurrence, properties, uses. Dear students, question number 1. Select the proper option and complete the statements. The options are single, all, double, ionic, carbon, give and take, hydrogen, multiple, share, most, covalent. A carbon atom forms a dash bond with other atoms. In this bond, the two atoms dash electrons. Answers are covalent and share. A carbon atom forms a covalent bond with other atoms. In this bond, the two atoms share electrons. B. All the carbon bonds in a saturated hydrocarbon dash electrons. Share. All the carbon bonds in a saturated hydrocarbon share electrons. C. At the least, one carbon bond in an unsaturated hydrocarbon is dash. Multiple. At least one hydrocarbon in an unsaturated hydrocarbon is multiple. D. Dash is the essential element in all the organic compounds. Carbon. Carbon is the essential element in all the organic compounds. The element hydrogen is present in dash organic compound. Most. The element hydrogen is present in most organic compound. Dear friends, question number 2. Answer the following questions. A. Why are carbon and its compounds used as fuels? Answer. 1. Most of the hydrocarbon compounds give a lot of heat and light when burnt in air. 2. Saturated hydrocarbons burn with a clean flame and no smoke is produced. 3. The carbon compounds used as fuel have high calorific values. Therefore, carbon and its compounds are used as fuels for most applications. B. In which compound forms does carbon occur? Answer. Carbon is found in nature in free as well as compound state. Carbon in the free state is found as diamond and graphite, and in the combined state in the following compounds. 1. As carbon dioxide and in the form of carbonates such as calcium carbonate, marble, calamine means ZnCO3. 2. Fossil fuel, coal, petroleum, natural gas. 3. Carbonaceous nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Natural fibers, cotton, wool, silk. C. Write the uses of diamond. Answer. 1. Diamonds are used in glass cutting and rock drilling machines. 2. Diamonds are used in ornaments. 3. Diamond knives are used in the eye surgery. 4. Diamond dust is used for polishing other diamonds. 5. Diamond is used to make windows, giving protection from radiation in space and in artificial satellites. Dear students, question number 3, explain the difference. A. Diamond and graphite. Diamond, graphite. 1. Diamond is the hardest natural substance. Graphite found in nature is black, soft, brittle and slippery. 2. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. 3. The density of diamond is 3.5 gram per cubic centimeter. The density of graphite is 1.9 to 2.3 gram per cubic centimeter. 4. It is used in glass cutting, ornaments, etc. Graphite. B. Crystalline and non-crystalline forms of carbon. Crystalline form of carbon. Non-crystalline form of carbon. 1. Crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. The arrangement of carbon atoms in this form is not regular. 2. They have high melting points and boiling points. They melt over a large range of temperature. A crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape and sharp edges and plane surfaces. They do not have definite geometrical shape. 4. For example, diamond, graphite and fullerene. For example, question number 4. Write scientific reasons. A. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Answer. Graphite found in nature is black, soft, brittle and slippery. Inside each layer of graphite, free electrons move continuously within the entire layer. That is why graphite is a good conductor of electricity. B. Graphite is not used in ornaments. Answer. 1. Graphite found in nature is black, soft, brittle and slippery. 2. For making ornaments, hard metals are used and graphite is soft and brittle. Hence, graphite is not used in ornaments. C. Lime water turns milky when CO2 is passed through it. Answer. When CO2 is passed through freshly prepared lime water, white precipitate of calcium carbonate is formed, which turns it milky. D. Biogas is an eco-friendly fuel. Answer. 1. Biogas is a very cheap fuel option which meets the demand for cooking gas. It is also used for production of an electricity. Biogas contains about 55% to 60% methane and the rest is carbon dioxide. 3. Biogas is a fuel which is convenient to use and in addition to this a very good manure is also produced as a side product of the process. Thus, biogas is an eco-friendly fuel. Dear students, now question number 5. Explain the following. A. Diamond, graphite and fullerenes are crystalline forms of carbon. Answer. 1. A crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. It has a definite geographical shape, sharp edges and plane surfaces. In diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to 4 neighboring atoms by covalent bonds. Therefore, diamond has a tetragonal 3-dimensional structure which makes it very hard. Hence, it has a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. 2. Every carbon atom in graphite is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms in such a way that a hexagonal layered structure is formed. It also has a definite arrangement of atoms. Molecules of fullerenes are found in the form of buckyballs and bucky tubes. There are 30 to 900 carbon atoms in one molecule of fullerene. Hence, it has a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. Hence, diamond, graphite and fullerenes are crystalline forms of carbon. B. Methane is called marsh gas. Answer. Methane is formed by the decomposition of plants and animals' matter. Methane is found at such surface of marshy places, that is why it is also called marsh gas. C. Petrol, diesel, coal are fossil fuels. Answer. Fossil fuel is a general term for buried combustible geologic deposits of organic materials found from decayed plants and animals over hundreds of millions of years. They changes into coal, natural gas and oil like petrol, diesel. When they are burned, they release energy and are used as fuels. Hence, petrol, diesel, coal are fossil fuels. D. Uses of various allotropes of carbon. Answer. Uses of various allotropes of carbon. Diamond. 1. Diamonds are used in glass cutting and rock drilling machines. 2. Diamonds are used in ornaments. 3. Diamond knives are used in the eye surgery. 4. Diamond dust is used for polishing other diamonds. Graphite. 1. Graphite is used for making lubricants. 2. Graphite is used for making carbon electrodes. 3. Graphite is used in pencils for writing. 4. Graphite is used in paints and polish. 5. Graphite is used in arc lamps which give a very bright light. Fullerenes. 1. Fullerenes are used as insulators. Fullerenes are used as a catalyst in water purification. 3. At a certain temperature, fullerene exhibits superconductivity. Coal. 1. Coal is used as fuel in factories and homes. 2. Coal is used to obtain coke, coal gas and coal tar. 3. Coal is used in thermal power plants for generation of electricity. Now, uses of coke. 1. Used as domestic fuel. 2. Coke is used as a reducing agent. Coke is used in production of water gas CO plus H2 and producer gas CO plus H2 plus CO2 plus N2. E. Use of CO2 in fire extinguisher. Answer. 1. Carbon dioxide is not a poisonous gas. 2. It is heavier than air. 3. Carbon dioxide neither burn or nor supports burning, so it is used to extinguish fire. F. Practical uses of CO2. Answer. 1. CO2 is used to make aerated drinks. 2. Solid carbon dioxide is used in cold storage and also to keep milk and milk products and frozen substances cool during transport. It is also used for getting special effects of a mist in dramas and movies. 3. CO2 obtained by chemical reaction or kept under pressure is used in fire extinguisher. 4. Liquefied CO2 is used to remove caffeine from coffee. 5. Liquid CO2 is used as solvent in modern eco-friendly dry cleaning. 6. Plants use CO2 in air for photosynthesis. Dear students, question number 6. Write two physical properties of each. A. Diamond. 1. Brilliant and pure diamond is the hardest natural substance. 2. The melting point of diamond is 3500 degrees centigrade. C. Fullerene. 1. Molecules of fullerenes are found in the form of buckyballs and bucky tubes. 2. There are 30 to 900 carbon atoms in one molecule of fullerene. Question number 7. Complete the following chemical reactions. 1. Dash plus dash gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Answer. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. 2. Dash plus dash gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Answer. CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. 3. 2NaOH plus CO2 gives dash plus dash. Answer. 2NaOH plus CO2 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O. Question number 8. Write answers to the following in detail. A. What are the different types of coal? What are their uses? Answer. Coal is a fossil fuel. It contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It also contains nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. It occurs in the solid state. It is of 4 types. A. Peat. Formation of peat is the first step in the formation of coal. It contains a high proportion of water and less than 60% of carbon. Therefore, not much heat can be obtained from peat. B. Lignite. Peat was transformed into lignite due to increased pressure and temperature inside the earth. It contains 60 to 70% of carbon. Lignite is the second step of the formation of coal. C. Bituminous coal. Bituminous coal was formed as the third step of formation of coal. It contains 70 to 90% of carbon. D. Anthracite. Anthracite is known as the pure form of coal. This coal is hard and contains about 95% of carbon. Now, uses of coal. 1. Coal is used as fuel in factories and homes. 2. Coal is used to obtain coke, coal gas and coal tar. 3. Coal is used in thermal power plants for generation of electricity. B. How will you prove experimentally that graphite is good conductor of electricity? Answer. Make a simple circuit, leave a opening, in that opening keep a pencil lid, consist of graphite and switch on the circuit. The bulb will glow. C. Explain the properties of carbon. Answer. Properties of carbon. Allotrophic nature of carbon. Allotropy. Some elements occur in nature in more than one form. The chemical properties of these different forms are the same, but their physical properties are different. This property of elements is called allotropy. Allotropes of carbon. A. Crystalline forms. 1. A crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangements of atoms. 2. They have high melting points and boiling points. 3. A crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape, sharp edges and plane surfaces. Carbon has 3 crystalline allotropes: diamond, graphite and fullerene. B. Non-crystalline or amorphous forms. The arrangement of carbon atoms in this form is not regular. For example, coal, charcoal, coke are the non-crystalline forms of carbon. D. Classify carbon. Answer: carbon has allotropy of two types, A. crystalline and B. amorphous. 1. Crystalline form. Carbon has three crystalline allotropes: 1. diamond, 2. graphite, 3. fullerene. Second, amorphous form or non-crystalline form. Carbon has three amorphous form: 1. coal like peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite. 2. charcoal. 3. coke. Now question number 9. How will you verify the properties of carbon dioxide? Answer: 1. When CO2 gas is passed through freshly prepared lime water, white precipitate of calcium carbonate is formed, which turns it milky. From this, we can identify the existence of carbon dioxide easily. 2. Place the burning candle in a glass jar containing carbon dioxide. The fire will extinguish. It shows that carbon dioxide neither burn and nor supports burning.
आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राइब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.